Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to buy VBucks with Paysafe. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up their site. So you can go to Epic Games site, so and then choose the VBucks that you wish to buy. So whatever that you want to purchase, so just choose that. And then once you're here, so for example I will get this one for demo, so the 1000 VBucks. I'll use this. So what I'm going to do, hit on this buy now option. So click on the buy now option, and then if you have an account on Epic Games, do log in, because that will be easier, so that you don't have to type in all your addresses and everything. So just log into your account if you have an account, and then when you get to this checkout page here, so if you want to use your Paysafe, simply scroll down, and under other payment methods you'll see this Paysafe option here. So if you want to use your Paysafe, so you can click on this Paysafe card option here. So this will enable you to use your Paysafe card. Alright, so simply select that and then hit on place order, and this one will send a concern to this Paysafe, where you need to authorize this payment on your Paysafe account and then complete this transaction. So all you have to do is simply select a Paysafe card and hit on place order and follow the authentication prompt. So that's how you use Paysafe on to buy VBucks. So I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.